So this is the Alpha 1. This is what we've been waiting for I don't know, since they announced it like 2 months ago. Okay, so this is going to be a quick unboxing. Let's see what we have in here. Manuals, USB charger, and the HDMI holder. Strap. Put this one here on the side. Okay, so just to show you how this will look like. Okay, so this is basically it. That's where the camera was, that's where the strap was and the battery, and this is the charger. And then you get some extra adapters inside here. Just some extra adapters depending where you live. Alright, and that's it. That's the box. Put this on the side. Most important thing ever. Does not have a flippy out screen, but it does come with a screen at the end of the day. Still the same screen. So let's see how this will work. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing for the Sony Alpha 1. If you have any questions about the camera, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll be looking at them very closely. Until then, thank you so much, have a wonderful day, and if you get the opportunity, my other videos are over here somewhere. So take a look.